Welcome to Police Chase DL, most brutal high-speed police chases, where split-second decisions mean life or disaster. Can you handle the chaos that's about to unfold? Georgia, 3:46 a.m., March 3, 2022. Deputies chased a speeding motorcycle north on I-75 as troopers joined the pursuit. One headlight cut through the darkness. But how long could he outrun the night?
We're across 340 now. I think we're about 340. Copy that. 340 is the time. We will contact the XP. All units, be advised, Midfield's going to contact the 274.
The motorcycle tore through lanes at breakneck speed, weaving past patrol units attempting to box him in. At over 100 miles per hour, the bike began to wobble violently, yet the rider refused to stop.
Have unit stage now at 348. Copy, trying to jump off at 348.
Troopers closed the gap, executing a coordinated cutoff that forced the suspect off balance, ending the high-speed pursuit in seconds. After a 40-minute multi-county pursuit near the Tennessee line, the suspect was taken into custody. He now faces felony fleeing, reckless driving, and public endangerment. A reminder that every chase ends the same. Speed fades, but consequences don't. What would you have done differently? Bibb County, Georgia, 6:54 p.m., March 3, 2022. A trooper spotted a blue dirt bike on Sherling Drive, its rider without a helmet. When lights flashed, he looked back, then sped off, launching a high-speed chase through crowded neighborhoods. The dirt bike sped down New Clinton Road, weaving through traffic and performing stunts mid-chase in open defiance. Near the Triangle Food and Gas Station, the suspect feigned a turn before darting behind a patrol car and fleeing against oncoming traffic, recklessly endangering everyone on Millerfield Road. The suspect, Zachary Pryor Hicks, was taken into custody after resisting arrest and crashing his unregistered dirt bike. He now faces charges of felony fleeing, obstruction, and operating an unregistered vehicle. A split-second decision to run turned a traffic stop into a criminal record. Would you risk your freedom for a few seconds of defiance? Some chase danger for thrills, others just meet it by accident. Either way, gravity always gets the last word.
Whoa! Whoa!
When you are Iron Man, but the battery is at 1%. The biker faced a red light runner head-on. In seconds, skill and instinct made the difference between panic and control.
Oh my God, he was at the back of it.
Oh my God, he's kicking it. Oh my God, this is insane. Oh.
But control is never guaranteed, and the next pursuit proves how fast confidence can flip into chaos. November 15th, 2024, São Paulo, Brazil. In the narrow back streets outside Brasilia, PEMESP officers spotted a young rider speeding 95 kilometers per hour through a crowded neighborhood. After losing control in a sharp turn, the suspect was swiftly subdued by officers. No serious injuries were reported, but the lesson was costly. He was fined 3,200 reais for reckless driving and resisting police orders. 1 minute of adrenaline, a lifetime of regret. Would you make the same choice? Afternoon traffic on a narrow highway. A motorcycle officer spotted a rider on a Yamaha TMAX acting suspiciously. Without hesitation, he broke through the shoulder and accelerated. Eyes locked on the man in a bright green vest. A poor choice for someone trying to disappear. The suspect swerved left, then cut off another vehicle, desperately searching for an escape. The speed was low, but the danger grew with every second. Seconds later, the officer closed in and took him down. Handcuffed by the roadside and assessed on scene, the man was quickly escorted away. Greene, Ohio, Wednesday afternoon, 2024. A tense 30-minute chase unfolded after a man allegedly stole a recreational vehicle. Greene City units joined Ohio State troopers in pursuit as the oversized RV barreled through residential streets and main roads at dangerously high speed.
Left side is completely flat. Go, pull him. He did not make the effort. He's continuing on top. Hey, just go back inside. So where the fight is not all the time? You're the back of the fence. And they can do that on the high power drive. What's behind? I can just stop there and meet it now. Come back on high power. Send that dog.
After a 30-minute chase, police boxed in the stolen RV and arrested Randy Schiffbauer. He now faces charges of robbery, assault, and fleeing police. One reckless decision turned theft into a felony chain. Every escape ends the same. Would you risk it? Florida, 5:30 p.m., February 9th, 2024. While patrolling I-75 near mile marker 155, an FHP trooper spotted a black motorcycle racing at extreme speed with its plate obscured, a clear sign of evasion. When lights flashed, the rider accelerated away, igniting a high-speed pursuit across the interstate. The motorcycle weaved through lanes, accelerating hard to escape FHP units amid heavy traffic. Every turn and sudden brake carried the risk of disaster. At a sharp curve, the suspect lost control. The motorcycle slid off the road, ending the high-speed escape in seconds. Julian Angelo Zamet was arrested without resistance, medically cleared, and booked for fleeing law enforcement. One reckless turn cost him his freedom, proof that speed never outruns accountability. Would you risk your future for a few seconds of adrenaline? Share your thoughts below. Bentonville, Arkansas, 9:09 p.m., June 8, 2025. While monitoring traffic on I-49 northbound, Trooper Richard Surratt clocked a motorcycle at 85 miles per hour in a 70 zone with no rear plate. As emergency lights flashed, the rider accelerated, launching a high-speed pursuit into the night. The motorcycle surged to 130 miles per hour, slicing between cars and even riding the shoulders to overtake terrified drivers swerving to avoid impact. Trooper Surratt maintained a controlled distance, relaying updates over the radio as the suspect's erratic lane changes threatened to trigger a chain reaction crash at any moment. As traffic thickened, the motorcyclist began to wobble, swerving unpredictably and brushing dangerously close to nearby vehicles. Seconds later, the front wheel lost traction. The bike clipped another car and plunged into a roadside ditch, ending the reckless high-speed run in a violent crash. Trooper Surratt stopped immediately, called for medical aid, and provided first aid at the scene. The injured rider was transported to the hospital. Arkansas State Police are continuing the investigation, with initial charges of fleeing and reckless driving. The motorcycle has been impounded for evidence. A split-second choice to run turned into a painful lesson. Speed fades, but consequences don't. What do you think drives people to run instead of stopping? Comment your thoughts below.
Can I go ahead and get a...
August 8th, 2017, Hradec Králové region, Czech Republic. A patrol officer found himself in a high-speed chase with a sport motorcycle rider who refused to obey the law. The pursuit began near the historic town of Jičín. And though the reason for the stop remains unclear, one thing was certain: the officer wasn't letting him go. The sport bike roared through the winding backroads of rural Czechia, its engine screaming as it carved through blind curves. The pursuing officer dodged oncoming cars while holding a tight pursuit line. On a narrow hill barely 2 lanes wide, the rider nearly struck a cyclist, an instant that turned the chase into a perilous, high-adrenaline pursuit. The chase ended in a dead-end street. As the officer closed in, the rider shut off his engine, raised his hands, and surrendered beside his bike. His so-called freedom ride through the Czech countryside ended with no escape, only consequences. On Peachtree Road, one man's defiance turned routine patrol into chaos. A drunk driver, a rifle in reach, and judgment left behind. Caleb McNeil's night ended in cuffs, proof that pride and speed lead nowhere but the cell. What lesson do you take from his fall? Comment below, and remember, every reckless choice writes its own ending. Stay tuned with Police Chase DL for the next chapter.